Looking for a headlamp that can handle anything? The Energizer LED Headlamp Pro 2-pack is here for it. Whether you're outdoors camping, running trails at dusk, or prepping for stormy weather, these high-performance headlamps have got you covered. With an IPX4 water-resistant rating, they're ready to take on the elements, rain or shine. Plus, batteries are included, so you're set to light up your next adventure right out of the box. With a bright, long-lasting LED, these headlamps provide the visibility you need when you need it most. Heading out for a night run or prepping for a survival situation? The Energizer Pro headlamps ensure you see everything clearly. Lightweight and comfortable, these are perfect for extended use without weighing you down. Oh, and let's not forget, the adjustable head strap makes it a one-size-fits-all situation. Whether it's for you, a friend, or the kids, everyone's good to go. Hands-free, reliable, and always bright, it's the headlamp you didn't know you needed until now. High performance. Powerful LED light perfect for outdoor and emergency use. Water resistant. IPX4 rating means no worries about rain or splashes. Batteries included. Ready to use immediately. Adjustable fit. Comfortable and versatile for all head sizes. No red light mode. Not ideal for preserving night vision. Basic features. Lacks advanced modes like dimming or strobe.